go.
That's a bad word.
There you go. Now you can open the door.
Mom? What? Oh.
Right here. Here's all those.
Mommy. That's you. I want to take it out.
All right.
Okay.
Reach in there and get that stuff.
I need help.
No. Try, Jack. Try. Pull it all open. Lift it up and pull it out.
Who needed that juice box anyways?
Yeah, cheese boxes are
Mommy,
so
I need help.
rad.
Okay.
Mommy, I need help.
I bet you
Mommy, I
don't.
need help.
Careful. Here, grab this end and pull.
Do it. There you go.
Mommy and Mom. Mommy and Mom. Mommy
Ooh.
my very own pretty own trains.
Is that delightful? Can you say thank you?
Look, a Quaker.
Awesome.
Thank you, Jack.
Can you say thank you to Cousin Isla?
Thank you, Cousin Isla. These are the best trains ever.
All right. Delightful. Thank you.